Hi, this is Darci with GoliathTech Utah. Let's talk renovations. Bearing walls require footings. Unfortunately, there's often not a footing where you want your new wall. What's the solution? GoliathTech helical piles. While helical piles are typically installed using excavators or skid steers, at GoliathTech Utah, we also have a high-torque drill designed for handheld installation. We can install in basements, tight spaces, hillsides, or those areas that you just cannot reach with a mini excavator. These drills have a capacity to reach loads equivalent to a 42 by 42 footing. You don't have to tear out a yard of dirt in your basement to have a 3 by 3 footing. At GoliathTech, we have engineering that allows us for helical piles to be used as alternates for most spot footings. Do you have a slab? We can cut a 10-inch or 16-inch hole through existing concrete. Then we install our helical piles using our handheld drill to the engineered required specifications. Then you build. Want an estimate? Send your plans to office@GoliathTechUT.com and we can show you how we can meet your engineering and code requirements while saving you time and likely money on your renovations.